Welcome back to Streetcar Chronicles, where today we have to talk really loud because of stupid freaking rain again. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, 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 rain. Ah! Welcome back to Streetcar Chronicles, where today we gotta get a lot of stuff done. A lot of things have gone on here. A lot of things. Number one, biggest thing is we got the tailgate throwdown in 6 weeks. Tailgate throwdown in 6 weeks, that's right. So we've got to get cow tracks done. We got to get axles in this truck. We've got to get a whole lot of stuff done. And we've got some developing issues with the last time we took it out. We found a bunch of oil underneath the hood, which means we might have a cylinder that has an issue. So no pressure. We also got into Rocky Mountain Race Week, and this guy will be racing the junior street class in my truck because his truck is still not finished because he won't work on it.
I joked, bud. Okay.
So today our goal is to get the cow tracks on the truck. We got an axle seal that's leaking. We're going to pull that out. We're going to go get a set of axles from the truck. We're going to throw it back together. We also got to pick up a set of tires. We're not going to do that. We're going to order them to the house because time is of the essence. So we reached out to our friends at Calvin Racing, and they sent us a sweet set of cow track bars. Just kidding. We paid for them because everything here costs us money. We're not sponsored by anyone, and we make literally $50 a year on this shit. We also got with Southwest Classics. They finally got at those sweet seat belts we've been waiting on for 3.5 years in China because they didn't have the clasp. And as you can see, this thing's leaking. The brakes are freaking wet. It's nasty. It's horrible. Yippee-ki-yay. So in that, this dude has to be NHRA licensed, which they have an open testing, and people on staff there March 1st, which is 2 weeks away, so that we can go get him his 6 runs and schedule his final run with an NHRA official. That means this piece of shit has to work. For once, I'd just like to go enjoy life without having to wrench on something, but that's just not the case. So what are you doing, man? Looking for leaks?
Yeah.
We got any? Great! I know there's leaks. I know there's leaks down there. Are there any leaks down there?
No, I don't think so.
There's leaks in here.
Yep.
So we got to diagnose that problem too. There's oil literally everywhere. Not good when the oil goes everywhere. So hang tight, this should be a fun one. Probably take us 6 to 7 weeks. We're gonna have to cram into 3.5 days. I'm fat, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. He's busy, I'm busy. So we're gonna break this up into like 37 increments because, you know, fucking life and stuff. God, I just want to take a nap right now.
Oh, there is one. I know there.
How bad was the leak?
Look. Got him.
God damn it! Oh. Stop screwing around. We got stuff to do. Calvin Racing makes great stuff. If you've never had a leaf spring vehicle, cow tracks are the only way to go. It came with this cool magazine showing us all the stuff that they have for sale, blah, blah, blah. And it's got information about how to set them up and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we're just going to slap these things on. It's going to take an abundance of time. Yeah, take a look at that. That's super sweet, huh? Freaking, yeah. Freaking, yeah, because the bolt will come right off that. Idiot. I hate people that make me wear shit like this just to get a bolt off. You guys can kiss my ass. Sorry, I'm a little angry on this video because it's raining and I'm tired and I'm still fat.
I've been wondering what has happened to you now. Am I the only one struggling to move on? Yeah. Guess I thought that this was meant to last.
Yeah, that just happened. Yeah. That's the kind of luck we have here at Streetcar Chronicles.
Can't believe the words you said. Somebody save me. Now we're hanging by a thread, and it's ringing in my head.
Press out. What I was supposed to.
Always tell you what to do.
Left the bearing case in there. The ignition case in there. So let's grab on the ignition case. And the ignition.
Always looking for the easy way. Now they're walking over you. Yeah. Never felt so damn frustrated. You're just wasting my time.